Letter A. A, a, a. Apple. A, a, a. Arrow. A, a, a. Alligator. A, a, a. Ant. A, a, a. Astronaut. A, a, a. Ox. A, a, a. Apple. Arrow. Astronaut. Alligator. Ox. Ant. And now, kids, which one starts with letter A? Is it ant or cat? Circle the correct answer. Which one starts with letter A? Is it bag or axe? Which one starts with letter A? Is it apple or orange? And now, kids, are you ready? Circle the pictures that begins with the letter sound A. Number 1, ant. The ant start with letter A. A, a, ant. If yes, circle like this. Next, number 2, apple. The apples begins with letter A. If yes, circle. And what picture is this? Frog. The frog start with letter A. If yes, circle. Next picture, airplane. The airplane start with letter A. If yes, circle. Next, baseball. The baseball start with letter A. If yes, circle. Arrow. Arrow begins with letter A. If yes, circle. And now, kids, trace the letter A. Okay, you trace properly. And then sound ah. Ah. Ah.